Month's name.
Ria, do you know names of Hindi month?
No, mother, I have never heard.
Okay, let's learn names of English months, Hindi months, and also number of days in English month. Name of the month, number of days. Name of the Hindi month. January has 31 days, and in Hindi it's known as Magh. February has 28 or 29 days, and in Hindi it's known as Falgun. March has 31 days, and it's known as Chaitra in Hindi. April has 30 days, and it is known as Vaishakh. May has 31 days, and in Hindi it's known as Jesht. June has 30 days, and in Hindi it's known as Ashar. July has 31 days, and Shravan is the name it is known as in Hindi. August has 31 days, and in Hindi it's known as Bhadrapad. September has 30 days, and in Hindi it's known as Ashwin. October has 31 days, and it is known as Kartik in Hindi. November has 30 days, and in Hindi it is known as Margshish. December has 31 days. In Hindi it is known as Posh